Hi guys, I'm Monalisha and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a little Onam makeup look. I am so happy to share this video with you guys because I am extremely happy and excited with the look that I have created. It turned out so beautiful and I really like this look on me. So let's begin. Okay, so starting off with my makeup, I always go ahead with like a heavy moisturizer. Today I'm using the Clinique HD. This leaves the skin extremely hydrated. That's what we want for a makeup base to look like. And then I am following up with a strobe cream which is in Pink Light, and this one is from MAC Cosmetics. I never ever skip a strobe cream. And for this look I have paired my Jarao earrings with a simple watch, and let's begin with my foundation. And for foundation I am using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid. This gives an amazing coverage to the skin, does not look cakey at all. Even if you just want a little bit of coverage, you can definitely check this out. I love this foundation a lot. Now I just wanted to tell you guys that these are the brushes that I got recently from Amazon, and I will keep a link in the description box below for you guys if you want to check that out. I actually forgot to use a lip balm before I started the makeup, so I went ahead with some lip conditioner. Now next I am going for some concealer to conceal my dark under eyes, and this is a technique which I've learned on YouTube. I really like how I have used like really less concealer and I'm just blending that into my skin. I'm using the concealer around my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin area. That is where I want the most highlighted part to be. And then I am setting my face with a compact powder. This one is again from MAC Cosmetics. This one is actually a foundation compact and I really like the coverage of this one as well. Next I am using a hula stick that is for contouring my cheeks. I do not really think that I need contouring, but this gives a really nice texture to my face, so that's why I use it. And yeah, I'm just blending that into my skin. Mind you, I have not used the powder on my cheeks or anywhere else. I've just powdered my under eyes and all the T-zone and on my T-zone, so that's why I'm using cream contour afterwards. Now I'm using a little bit of blush, not little bit, I am all into blushy cheeks right now. I just love a lot of blush on my cheeks, and this one is from L'Oreal. I will give all the description in the description box below for you guys, so you can check that out. Now for highlighter I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Matte Luminizer in the shade Golden, and I feel that this is a perfect shade for all Indian tones because we have a lot of yellow and orange undertone, so this goes really well with that. Now I'm doing my eyebrows with this brow pomade. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Ka-Brow by Benefit, and I am using the shade 04. I'm just dusting my eyebrows with a little bit of compact powder because I think that makes it more, natural. And for my eyes I'm actually using two palettes. One is the Bolly Glow Onset palette and the other one is the Try Sugar Warrior palette. I don't think that I have to tell you anything. Everything else is extremely self-explanatory. Yeah. And then the final touch, I've used this Mirroraholic glitter from Etude House. I really like this one, and just creasing my crease line. and then completing the eye with some really heavy kajal. I really like to use my eyelash curler and then go ahead with some mascara, because I think that makes the lashes really bulky and really big, so that's why I use it. And there I have my funny face when I do my mascara. I don't know if you guys also do that, or am I the only one? Let me know in the comments below. And then I am applying my favorite thing, that is the bindi. I love wearing bindis, and to complete the whole look I have used this Armani Beauty lip maestro. I really like this lip color. This glides so well. It's really smooth on your lips. And yeah, that is it for my makeup look. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, and I will see you next time. Bye.